If you aren't live streaming on your YouTube channel, you're doing it wrong. It really doesn't matter what type of videos you do, live streaming can provide your channel with something no other content can. YouTube broadcast its first live event in 2008, but it wasn't until 2013 that every channel got the ability to live stream. This completely changed the content landscape forever. Now, I have personally been live streaming using multiple different methods for the better part of 5 years, and that's well over 1,000 live streams in total. So today I want to tell you 5 reasons why if you create YouTube content, you need to be live streaming or you're totally missing out on the unique benefits it has to offer. We have a lot to get to today, so you know what? Let's get to it! Hello, my YouTube friends! I remember watching my first reality TV show, and by reality TV show, I don't mean game shows or sporting events. I mean reality TV as we know it today. Survivor was probably the first really big one, and what made it so much fun to watch was the fact that the people were real, not pre-written characters. By the end of the first season, you really felt like you knew the people involved. That is reality TV's biggest strength. Well, that and how cheap it is to produce. The connection to the audience made those early reality TV stars and production companies millions of dollars. YouTube is kind of like reality TV in some ways. Most channels are just one person or a small group struggling to release the best content they can in their specific niche. And because of this, it comes off as more real and less scripted. It really doesn't matter what type of content you do. The nature of the way YouTube content is done presents you with a huge opportunity to do what those reality stars did, connect with the audience. And while the YouTube's video formula is evolving and more well-produced videos and visual effects are becoming commonplace, we have begun to lose the unscripted, raw, relatable appeal of the early reality shows. Live streaming becomes the perfect bridge between the audience and the creator. Now, there are a lot of different components to building a successful YouTube channel, and quality pre-recorded content is at the top of that list because it's the easiest way for YouTube to serve your content to the widest audience possible. However, once your pre-recorded videos start to get some traction, live streaming is the glue that can keep the audience coming back over and over again to watch every single video. Live content does something that no pre-recorded video can possibly do. Even though YouTube's format gives us the reality TV style connection where we can show a lot of us to the audience through the videos, live streaming can take it a lot further. So the first reason every channel should be live streaming on YouTube is the audience connection. People who enjoy your content will feel like they know you after they watch you for a while. And with a live stream, you have the opportunity to actually interact directly with the audience to show that you're real and the same person that they see in those videos. Number 2 is trust. The more your audience knows and identify with you, the more you earn the trust of your audience, and that has immense value. That trust equals more consistent views for your channel and a lot more future revenue. And it doesn't matter what type of content you're doing either. A channel that teaches gardening skills or talks about the local sports team or reviews restaurants or even a product or a brand like car wash soap or something like TubeBuddy. Every single channel will be more successful by developing that connection and trust with their audience through live streaming. Number 3 is advocacy. Audience members that you connect with are so much more likely to talk about your channel and even promote you through their social media. Now, this may not seem like a big deal, but positive word of mouth is more effective than any other form of promotion. Why? Because it's totally organic and unsolicited. People know when they're being sold, but when someone loves what you do and they talk about it, there's no motive other than to help you find something that you might like too. Number 4, monetization. The people you connect with on your live stream trust you and are far more likely to purchase through you, whether it's merch, affiliate products, or just a channel membership. This is also a big attracting factor for channel sponsors. See, a company looking to sponsor wants a creator that has a loyal audience. And that's easily seen through the raw numbers of those clicks and sales that you get from your merch and affiliate promotion. Number 5, content ideas. Live streams give you an awesome opportunity to ask your biggest supporters what they would like to see on your channel. And of course, this is the internet, so you're gonna hear lots of opinions and feedback on the ways that you can improve your content. Number 6, it's the bonus, and it is my personal favorite. I would be totally wrong not to point out how rewarding all this is for the person actually doing the stream. The audience get a better connection with you for sure, but you're also going to feel a better connection with your audience. That relationship can motivate you to create better content. I know it does for me. You also develop some real-world relationships that can be extremely rewarding in the long term. In fact, some of my best friends are people I met on my live stream over the years, and to be honest with you, that is absolutely priceless. So as you can see, no matter what type of content you do on your channel, live streaming can help make your audience more connected to you, and the benefits of that are absolutely huge. Here are some good live streaming rules to live by to help you connect with your audience. Be real. Flexing on the internet seems to be all the rage these days, but it's not real, and nothing is going to expose that like a live stream. Your audience wants confirmation that you're the same guy or girl that they watch in the videos. Staying on those topics and just expanding a bit is going to help keep you in that lane. Set boundaries. There should be things that are just off the table that you want to keep to yourself. And if you make that clear when those topics come up on your stream, your audience will actually respect you more for it. Avoid polarizing topics. There are certain things that can split an audience in a heartbeat, and you should avoid those topics like the plague, unless of course those are the topics that you cover on your channel. Politics and cultural topics can instantly divide an audience. Everyone has opinions on these things, of course, but sharing them on your channel isn't in your best interest. The goal is to welcome as many viewers as possible and make sure they feel free to express their thoughts and opinions. Interact and take notes. The best part of a stream is the interaction in the chat. This is the tool that allows your audience to connect directly with you. So make sure to use the chat to drive fun moments on your stream and make a personal connection with as many of the chatters as possible. It's really as simple as mentioning their name and asking how they are, and then responding to their reply. And if you're like me and you don't remember things, once the stream is done, jot down some notes about the chatters that stood out to you, and you can address those chatters more personally the next time you see them on stream. This is a huge deal, so definitely don't skip that step. I really hope this helps more channels see how they can live stream and completely transform their content this year. Especially if you're a brand of some sort, you really are missing out if you're not live streaming. If you're new to live streaming and you want to learn the basics, you should check this video out. And of course, I live stream every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and answer your live streaming questions. So why not stop by? And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.